and gentlemen, welcome back to another episode. This is Molives TV. Another day, another adventure. Guys, today is February 1st. Let's go, let's go. I'll talk about my new luggage in a little bit, but guys, we have something big going on right now. So I just commuted in from Providence to Baltimore. I'm working out of Baltimore all month. I don't know. I decided that was the move. So when we were planning on the flight, there's this guy who was sitting in front of me. He left some candy. And when he was like getting up to leave, he had a Super Bowl ring on his finger. And I'm like, I gotta get this candy back to whoever this dude is. I don't even know who he is. So that's what our mission is right now. I'm like, bro, I gotta get this back. Gotta introduce myself. I'm assuming the guy's going to Minneapolis. So I'm gonna check on the board and see where my dude is at, give him his candy back, you know what I'm saying? Oh man, guys, you can't make this up. If you aren't part of the family, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like on this video, and let's get into it, okay? Minneapolis, A4. Alrighty, so I don't have to be at my gate for like another hour and a half, so I got an hour and a half to track this guy down. His flight doesn't leave for another 3 hours, allegedly. Yo, I see him. Alright, he's right over here, over the shoulder. Yo, this is insane. I'm about to give his candy back, get his reaction, and meet him. Oh yeah, guys, by the way, shout out to Bo. I saw Bo in the lounge. My boy Bo watches the vids, and I'm like, Bo, that's my dude, but we got missions out here. So this is gonna be either one, really awesome, or two, really awkward. But yeah, here we go. Hey, what's up, my man? You left some candy on the flight. Was this you?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I saw you were sitting in front of me. We were cleaning, and I'm like, I think this is that dude.
Thank you, man.
I got you,
really
bro.
Appreciate that.
I got you. I got you, bro. I got you.
Yo,
What's your name, bro?
Mike.
Mike?
Yeah.
Good to meet you, bro. What is it? Oh, sick. What is that? J-Woo? You went to J-Woo? That's sick, bro. I love it.
Wow, I appreciate this. I wanted these.
You got the gummies.
2 bags.
That's what I'm saying.
My man's got me.
I'm like, yo, Mike, I got you, fam. Say no more. I'm like, there's no way Mike was just like tossing it out. I'm like, I'm like, this isn't trash, man. This isn't trash. I love it, bro. All right, man. I gotta get going,
Definitely,
but
I appreciate that.
I got you, bro. I got you, man. It's good to meet you. Yo, over here, I think I'm seeing like a Patriots player. The dude had a ring from J-Woo, aka Johnson & Wales University. That is hilarious. What a way to start off the vlog. Oh my goodness. I'm like saving this Patriot player, Super Bowl winner, you know. Alrighty, well, let's get on with our day. How we doing, guys? Hope you're having a dope day. I got some new luggage, guys. New luggage. This is my last bag that I'm ever buying. I am technically, I guess homeless or something, but you know how we do it. I'm either gonna be between here, Baltimore, Providence, Tampa, LA, Vegas. I'm gonna tell you guys about this bag right now. All right, we made it on the plane, guys. I'm gonna explain to you a little bit real quick. I was telling my girl Mary over here, you know, Mary, she's doing some stuff. She's doing some big business over there. It's all good. This is the bag. This is the bag right here. No more suitcase. All we got is the backpack. And we also got a new Patagonia hat, baby. We're fresh, we're looking new. This is how we do it, baby. This is the new life. I'm homeless, I don't live anywhere, I live right here. This is my new house, this is my bag. And I'm just gonna take this around everywhere. Up to and including when I get my skydiving license, and then after that I'll probably settle down. We're thinking probably like 3 months, maybe 4 months. Skydiving license is like $2,500, get my actual parachute is like another $2,500, so that's like $5K, and I'm not trying to spend rent right now. So I just bought this backpack, couple $100, and yeah, I'm just a little gypsy. I'm a crazy gypsy, but that's my story right now, guys. I'm sticking to it. We're working 2 flights today, Baltimore, Orlando to Milwaukee. And yeah, say what up to my girl. Hey, introduce yourself to 10 million people.
Hi.
10 million people out here. Yeah.
No, I can't count that high.
Alright, well, we're gonna be boarding in a second, guys, and see you in a little bit. And we made it to Orlando. Let's go, baby. Guys, I'm booking this flight right now for one of my friends. She hit me up, and her sister is trying to go to a wedding tomorrow. And she works for a different airline. So she's like, can I get a buddy pass? And I'm like, yo, girl, say no more. I got you. So pretty much, you know, I scratch your back, scratch mine, so that means I have a buddy pass on her airline in my back pocket, you know? And her airline flies to Hawaii, so that's always good to have. Say what up to my boy, David.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, say hi to 10 million people, bro.
Hi, 10 million people.
Woo, 10 million people. Hey. Oh, wait, are you Snapchatting?
No.
No, I thought. All right. Love it. Mary, what's good? What's good?
Hey.
Hey.
How's it going?
Hi, it's good. Oh, baby. Guys, we got one more flight. Anyone can do one more, right, guys? Anybody can do one more. That's what they say. All right, so we got like 40 people on this flight. 3-hour flight to Milwaukee. Easy peasy, lemon, young Jeezy. Wait, what? Bro, what do you think about the bag, man? You got so much stuff, bro. Look at all that stuff. Boom. Your whole life can just fit in this bag, man. It can. You got everything you need.
Where's the wheels, though?
The wheels? What do you mean, bro? We got wings, bro. We don't got wheels. It's a good workout, too. It's a good workout. It's like, I don't work out at all. I just eat pizza. But get on this flight, work another flight to Milwaukee. 14 hours. Probably just gonna chill. I don't think we're really gonna be doing that much. Unless Mary's trying to get crazy and let her hair down. I don't know. I feel like Mary, if anyone's a bad influence, I don't know, I'm trying to go out. I feel like it's Mary. What'd you say?
Mama's going to bed.
Oh, Mama's going to bed. All right. Okay, all right. Maybe not tonight, guys. Maybe not tonight. Oh, man. We will see you guys in Milwaukee. Woo, baby. It is negative 500,000 degrees out here in Milwaukee. Woo! It is freezing out here. Yo, I got a question, Milwaukee. Why are you so cold? Why don't you just warm up? Lighten up a little bit, bud, you know?
Why
you know what I'm saying?
Yet?
David.
Hey, what's up?
That's a sick hat, bro.
Thank you.
It's got a side profile of the hat. Wow. How are your ears? Warm, huh?
Yep. It helps.
You calling
I'm
the
calling the
hotel?
hotel. I'll make sure.
How you doing? Hash browns. If I'm getting a brain freeze, I want to be at least eating some ice cream. You know what I'm saying? Am I right?
You're right.
I'm not even eating anything out here. Oh my goodness. It's cold. Wait, you guys want to be magic? You guys want to be magic?
What's that?
We're gonna teleport to the hotel. We're gonna jump up and we're gonna just land inside of the hotel.
Okay.
All right,
Yeah?
let's do that.
You guys ready?
Yeah, ready.
3, 2, 1. Oh my goodness, what did we just do? Yo, you guys are magic. How does it feel?
Fabulous.
Oh my goodness. All right. I should probably sign this in. Okay. All right. Okay. Guys, check out the hotel. Look at this. It's like jail. We're in jail. Hey, Ma, can you come bail me out of jail? No? Okay, yeah. I'm just a vlogger. Mr. David, 2:40 tomorrow. Miss Mary, love.
2:40, all right, that works.
2:40. 2:40 is the time for tomorrow. Look at that. That is the most productive thing I did all day.
Did I get the penthouse?
Oh yeah, you definitely got the penthouse, man. You got the penthouse. I got the penthouse. Alrighty. Wow, this is a very nice hotel. I know what you guys are thinking. Molives, what are you doing here? This ain't no hostel. Very nice. I'm coming. I'm not coming. We're all coming. We're coming. These guys. Yeah. You see them?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. You see them? Yeah. Okay. There's a lot of them there. Yo, is this place haunted though? That's what you're saying, man. That's what you're saying. Yeah, we got ghosts up here. Alrighty, okay, we got a couple beds here, not bad. There's a refrigerator, very nice. You guys know what we gotta do. Alrighty, shout out Vivi, not bad. Any monsters? Alrighty, no monsters. That is a win in and of itself. Whew, man, I need to get changed though. Oh, alrighty, baby. That's more like it. A lot more chill. Yo, my teeth look nice here. I think that does it for today. I'm gonna go to sleep. It is literally 12:45 at night. Your boy's tired. We had a day today. We met Super Bowl championship winner Mike. at the Baltimore airport. So tomorrow, another day, another adventure, guys. If you aren't part of the family, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Smash a like on this video. Guys, don't forget, the next mystery flight is going to be coming out within the next 2 weeks, guys. Check it out. Don't forget to follow me, boom, right here at Molives TV on Instagram to be part of the live vote. If you guys don't know what's going on, I'm going to the airport, no destination. You're voting for where I'm going. Who knows, maybe I'm coming to your country. You guys know what to do. This is Molives TV. Smash that like button and let's fly, baby.